came home to a box of things.
I just realized I'm gonna have to be ready for D&D.
Do you have your own gift code? Don't lose that.
No, I will not lose that.
Okay.
I just moved it so that that my people can't see the thing. Well, I have shoes that will not fit me.
Yeah, me too.
Woohoo! Size 8 flip-flops for my size massive feet. Okay, let's see. This is something that has to be opened too. And something that has to be opened. But this is... Oh, come on, come off of there. Oh, this is the tote. Oh my gosh, this is stuff. Nate's gonna have a heck of a time editing this. Because it's just crazy. He told me to vlog it.
Oh, can David just hold the phone?
Yeah. Here, I'm gonna give the phone to my brother. I got Green Company bag.
Come here, honey.
It's kind of like a plastic tote bag. Let's see, this also is a thing that has to be open, so I'll wait on that. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is all sorts of fun stuff. It's like buttons and flowers and glitter and foil. Okay, that's foil, not glitter. And a paper pad that, let's see, this is so cute. Heartthrob paper pad. That's cute. And it's got some cute paper. The double-sided, it's double-sided. So tons of
Oh my gosh.
just
Little
things.
Oh, it's a pen. This is a pen. It looks like a cucumber slice.
Oh, this is the card kit. So we were supposed to go to an event on
October 10th.
On October 10th. The Queen and Company event. There were supposed to be classes. It was an all-day thing. Got canceled because of COVID. So they sent us the card kit class. And is this another? The gift-giving class kits. And the Color My World layout class. All to do at home. Which is awesome. I'm happy about that. And the things, all the itty-bitty things. Let's see. There's something in this package. Here you go. Thank you. Something in this package. I did not look to see what my mom has so that I could be so surprised. Because she has the same thing as I do. Ooh. Look at this. This is a little tub. That's cute. There's a tub, and there's a little garbage can. It's the cutest thing in the world. Okay, I gotta pull this out. That is cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, and inside my garbage can is a little magnetic broom and little teeny dustpan. And what's this? You know what this one is?
That, when you open it up, is like a lint roller kind of a thing to clean your desk. Little bits of stuff, glitter or whatever.
Okay, I can get behind that.
Like a little sticky roller.
Okay, you fit in there before. Did you just go this way? You went that way. Okay.
Oh.
So,
Right there, baby.
Oh. Is that a sleepy mask? Whoa!
I love it.
It is a pen. That is cute. Little lime pen and a little sleep mask and a bathtub.
Wow.
So I like that. And there's one more. There's a box. Gotta move that. And this is a box.
Wonderful.
So let's see what's in the box. What's in the box, Tinky Winky? Wow. Okay. Oh, this is going to be the train case, I believe. Yes. This is the little, oh, goodness. The little train case. For all your things to live in. So all your things can live in your train case. And that is Queen for a Day on the Go box. How my things fit in here?
Did you already pick up these and show these?
Yeah. Okay, that will not fit. Thank you for taking the time to watch our videos.
Hit that subscribe button.
Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're putting out.
Hit that subscribe button.
What about comments?
Comments and questions. Questions and comments are always welcome.
And make sure to check out Nate's other channel, Umbra Shadow Gaming.
Pretty much all the stuff's over there now.
Yeah.
All the game videos.
So you post over there every
Thursday
and Saturday?
Every Thursday and Saturday.
Thursday
and maybe
and Saturday.
An extra bonus episode sometimes, depending on my mood.
Yeah. Thursday and Saturday, Umbra Shadow Gaming for video game videos. And every Tuesday right here on this channel.
The Salyers.
For our vlogs.
Yeah.
Hoping for some pretty exciting stuff coming up, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Hoping for some exciting stuff coming up.
Do you hear that?
Adventure's calling. Where is she? Oh. There she is.